This painting is called Kind Bliss, a little innocent child's touch in just a cozy, warm, safe moment, perhaps on a Saturday afternoon. We're all inspired and called to have these cozy moments in our lives. We don't always take advantage of them, though. We don't always answer that call, but even the little fuzzy one, he knows that he's always welcome and takes advantage of this cuddly moment. This piece is about modeling acceptance and taking time to rest and be together and just put distractions aside. So she is an 8x8 inch painting on canvas, and she is wired and ready to hang. This brand new painting in the Vivid Calm collection is titled Serene Strength. And she makes me think of boundaries and how her hair is blotting out everything above and everything below and all around this little couplet so that they can focus on this moment and she can be focused on the moment and the distractions are blocked out. And then just the warm pinks and peaches, magentas, reds, just kind of create almost like a womb-like, warm, safe, cozy place. So that is Serene Strength. She's an 8x8 inch original on deep canvas, and she's wired and ready to hang. From the cool depths of night until the warm sunny morning, this child is welcome with their mother. They may roll away in the night, but then heat seek back into her arms, and her arms are always there, unconditionally waiting and ready for the child. This piece is called Unconditional from the Vivid Calm collection. It's an 8x16 inch original painting. It's varnished and wired and ready to hang. It's really a great size, a super fun size. Each of her children is a reflection of her heart, her strength, her warmth, and her acceptance, and they all find solace in her comforting arms. This piece is a 12x12 inch original on deep canvas, and it is wired to hang, and her name is Clear Passion. This piece is called Winter Sun. This is the piece that kind of helped me to name the Vivid Calm collection, and also is one of my favorite pieces in the Vivid Calm collection. This angelic little sweetie is just lit by the love of their mama. This cozy, warm space that they've created. It's warm, but it's cool, but it's got vibrancy, but it's calm. Winter Sun. She's an 8x8 or 8x10 inch original painting on deep canvas, ready to hang. One of my favorites in the collection. Bright Spirit. The pure joy and anticipation and deliciousness of these precious little cherubs can barely be contained. We can hold on to them only while we can until they burst from our grip and out into the world. May our children be and continue to be shining stars in our lives, and may we remain a strong and a cherished presence within their orbit. This is Bright Spirit. This is a 12x12 painting on deep canvas, ready to hang with a wire.